Cable tester kit includes the components needed to terminate data cables using time-saving pass-through technology. Klein exclusive pass-through connectors provide fast, reliable connector installations for data applications. Certified for PO+. CAT5E, Cat6 cables easily pass through connector to visually ensure that wires are in the correct order for consistent and secure terminations. 8-position, 8-contact pass-through style data plug for solid or stranded cable. Fast, simple RJ45 Pass-Thru Crimper. CAT No VDV226-005. Crimps and trims Klein Tools RJ45 Pass-Thru Connectors onto data cables, round STP, UTP cables. Wiring guide on crimper helps minimize wiring errors. Top reviews from the United States. Pass-through for the win. The Pass-Thru RJ45 connectors are so much easier to use than the other style. Easy to identify if the wires are correct before crimping. The wire restraint is always secured onto the jacket of the cable. The crimper works well. The cable tester is a nice addition to my toolkit. I was able to trace a wire in a large condo that I wouldn't have been able to do otherwise. I just wish this kit came with wire strippers for the CAT cable. It just feels incomplete without it. I did buy the Klein combo stripper that does CAT cable and coax. It works nicely.